Hey, you want to see a magic trick? See these shoes? They're on my feet. Here's my breakfast. There's a vegan breakfast.
After breakfast, we started with a building that's been called Detroit's largest art piece.
Dang, that is a nice building. Got these rotating doors.
The lobby of this building is made with 40 different kinds of marble, and it's 3 stories tall with a vaulted, painted ceiling.
Ridiculous. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this.
This building's roof originally really stood out with gold leaf tiles, and during World War II, in order to draw less attention to it from bombers, they covered it with asphalt, and then after the war, they replaced it with green tiles. In 2015, the Fisher Building, as well as the Albert Kahn Building, plus 2 parking structures and multiple surface lots, was all purchased for just $12.2 million. An absolute steal. Walk downstairs and you'll find a series of tunnels that go to the General Motors buildings. It's also a great place to have fun with echoes. After seeing a building that's in active restoration, we wanted to swing to the other side.
This is a wonderful property we're about to show you. See, on the inside here, you can see it's got a nice open concept. And over to the left, you can install a rope swing as well as an alligator pit. There's lots of natural light coming in, which is great. You got patina here, patina there. Everywhere you look, patina. Nice little side entrance going on here. Spooky lady. And how about art? You got pointy guy? You got shark guy? All your friends are gonna wanna come over to your place in the summer to hang out by the pool.
In 2012, it was estimated that Detroit had at least 70,000 abandoned buildings. But today, many places, including the very popular Packard plant, are on their way to restoration.
Next, we went to check out Heidelberg Street, where the Heidelberg Project is.
The Heidelberg Project is an outdoor art space made from salvaged items.
Here we have a nice stove where we're cooking shoes.
It incorporates houses, sidewalks, trees, and empty lots.
There's a lot of fixation on clocks of all types. Here's the classic speedboat full of moldy, wet stuffed animals.
The creator talks about how it's meant to bring art to people who would otherwise never go to traditional art museums.
Here is horsehead shoe pile, leg cart. Here's a piece called Dirty Baby Next to Spoon, jet ski legs, little horseback baby doll.
The project has been around for over 30 years, and in that time, it's been controversial. A number of houses that were part of the project have been demolished by the city, and a number of others have been burned down from arson. Next, we went to Hart Plaza to take a look at some less controversial art.
Here is a piece called Detroit's Earring. Just kidding. This is the Labor Legacy Monument.
The large stainless steel broken circle stands 63 feet tall and was funded entirely by donations from union members.
Now call somebody.
Oh, this is a calculator?
Well, right boobs. Here's an art piece called Bump It. Just kidding.
But it is often called the Fist of Detroit, and it's a monument to heavyweight boxer Joe Louis.
Next, we went to the Spirit of Detroit, which is a big green guy who's holding God and human relationships in his hand.
When Detroit's professional sports teams are in the playoffs, they often dress this statue up with their jersey.
After a long day of wandering around, we wanted to get all fatted up on some pizza, and Jessica's a vegan, so we went to a place called Pie Sci, which has some vegan options. The pizza we ordered was barbecue sauce, tofu, bacon, red onion, pineapple, cashew cheese, and a side of jalapenos. And what's getting fatted up without double dosing your fat up? So we went to Treat Dreams, which has vegan ice cream. Thanks for joining along on this adventure to the Motor City. If you've been there before, or if you live there now and you have any suggestions for places that we should have gone, I would love to hear them. Leave those in the comments because it's a place that I tend to visit somewhat often. Until next time, take it easy.